Saro. This is so boring. I wish I could make my story look amazing.
Mina, you can. Let me show you some cool tricks with word processing.
Like magic?
Exactly. Let's start by changing the font style to make your title bold and exciting.
Hello kids! This is Captain AHS. A true captain doesn't just write logs, they format them like a pro. Bold letters, colorful text, and neatly arranged paragraphs, these aren't just decorations, they make your writing powerful. Today, we'll master advanced word processing skills to turn plain text into a masterpiece. Let's set sail!
Saro. This is so boring. I wish I could make my story look amazing.
Mina, you can. Let me show you some cool tricks with word processing.
Like magic?
Exactly. Let's start by changing the font style to make your title bold and exciting.
My words look like superhero letters.
Now, let's change the font color to make it fun. Select the text and change the color. From here we can select the colors which are not available.
Wow! This is amazing. Can we add pictures too?
Of course. Click on Insert and then Picture.
Saro, you're a computer wizard. Haseeb, help me organize my recipe, please.
Sure thing. Let's make it easy to read using bullet points. See? Each step is now clear.
Wow, that looks so neat.
Want to make headings for different sections?
This is fun. I can even add a page border to make it pretty.
Go to the designs and design the page accordingly. The font, border, and color. Now your recipe is ready to share with the whole neighborhood.
Mama, how do I make my project look professional?
Advanced word processing can help. Let's use a table of contents.
That's so cool! Now I won't lose my place.
Let's also add headers and footers. A header is text that is placed at the top of a page, while a footer is placed at the bottom or foot of a page. click on the inserts and go to the header. There are options. Select whatever you want and type the header. Then, as we know footer is placed at the bottom, we will select the whatever pattern we want and add the footer too. In the same pattern, we can add the page numbers too.
Wow, this looks like a real book. Can I add a hyperlink to my favorite inventor's website?
Yes! Highlight the text, right-click, and select Insert Link.
I'm going to get an A+ for sure.
It's time for the quiz. Which of the following is not a way to format the text in a document? Option A, changing the font style. Option B, changing the text size. Option C, changing the background music. Option C, changing the background music. What is the difference between copy and cut in word processing? Option A, copy duplicates the text, while cut removes it from the original place. Option B, cut and copy do the same thing. Option C, copy deletes the text permanently. Option A, copy duplicates the text, while cut removes it from the original place. Which option correctly shows which one is bold? Option A, Option B, or Option C? Option A is the correct answer. Which alignment places text evenly between the left and right margins? Option A, left alignment. Option B, right alignment. Option C, justify alignment. Option C, justify alignment. The undo button allows you to reverse your last action in a word processing document. True or false? True. Well done, crew. You've mastered advanced word processing, but there's more to explore. Next, we dive into complex formatting, where documents become even more powerful with tables, columns, and styles. Onward to the next adventure. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.